Okay, in this video we're going to count atoms. This first one is a straightforward one. We can see there is one carbon because there's a number after the carbon, and then oxygen we have got two. So the way I would write that down is I've got one carbon and two oxygen atoms in that formula. I'm going to skip the next one. I'm going to pick some different ones. So this one here, we've got a big number 2 in front of it, and what this means is it multiplies everything that follows by that number. So in here we've got one carbon, but I must times it by 2 because the big number 2 at the front tells me to do that. And then inside here I've got 2 oxygens, but we have to times that by 2 as well. So I've got 4 lots of oxygen in that formula. Just have a look at a couple more. Have a quick look at this one. In this one, we've got a similar idea. What you need to do here, though, is pull the atoms together if they are the same. Okay, so what I mean by that is I've got one carbon, but we've got to times it by 2. So I'm going to times that by 2, give me 2 lots of carbon. I've then got 2 oxygens, but again, we times it by 2. So I've got 4 oxygens there, but I've also got 1 oxygen here. So in total, there are 5 lots of oxygen, and then my hydrogens are just 2 lots of hydrogen. Let's find one with a bracket in. Here we've got one with a bracket. So remember here, this is a big letter, little letter. So this is one element. This is cobalt. So I've got 1 lot of cobalt. And then the number outside the bracket means we multiply everything inside the bracket by that number. So here I've got 1 oxygen times it by 2. So I've got 2 lots of oxygen. Actually, let's make that in the same format. And then I've got 2 lots of hydrogen, which is 2 times hydrogen. Right, that should be enough to help you do the rest. Good luck with the questions.